1, 2, 3, start. As Pakistan's foreign debt burden increases, repayments become arduous, and negotiating rescheduling of repayments too difficult. Full stop. Many reasons are advanced in support of such reputation, as was done at a panel discussion organized by the Pakistan Education and Research Forum in Lahore last week. Most of the aid has come as loan, and the grant element in the aid has been vanishing rapidly. Full stop. The bulk of the aid is tied number one, as recipient in countries have to import the capital goods and other equipment from donor countries whose prices are far above the international prices. Full stop. The recent loans carry very heavy interest rates, thereby aggravating the debt burden of poor countries like Pakistan. Full stop. If the aid is for specific projects, foreign consultants have to be engaged to prepare feasibility reports, as well as advise the management of such project. Western countries admit that 80% of the aid given often goes back to the donor countries and keeps their agriculture and industry going. Full stop. That is true specifically in the agriculture sector, as much of the food, grains, and other edible items received by Pakistan were United States agricultural surplus. Full stop. If the United States did not export them as aid, full stop, the government would have to give larger subsidies to the growers as compensation. Full stop.